Hey guys, it's your boy Samuel here on Crypto Techie, and in this video we're going to dive into what cryptocurrency is. And if you enjoyed the video, please give a like, subscribe, and comment below. So the very first question that is the in the room is, what are cryptocurrencies? What is cryptocurrency? A lot of you might have wondered or asked this question, and we're going to give you that answer right away. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital cash that you can use to pay for your transactions online. You can use it to pay your friends, you can use it to shop online, and you can even use it to book hotels. It's wonderful, right? Yeah. But why is it called cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are popularly referred to as crypto sometimes, is because they are coined from two words, crypto and currency. The crypto is a short form from the word cryptography, and cryptography is a technique in which cryptocurrency is used to secure transactions, to make your transactions secure. This is why they are called cryptocurrencies, because they use the cryptographic technique to secure transactions.